Hi guys, welcome to class. So now let's round up that discussion on viral infections. And I know by now you should have known the difference between bacteria and viral infection, right? Bacteria doesn't necessarily need to get into the cells to set up a disease condition, but virus has to get into the host cells. And it's very important because its pathogenesis arises from the fact that it multiplies within the host cells. That's what is responsible for its pathogenesis. That's what's responsible for the pathogenesis. And then also, most viral infections, they tend to attack the immune system, like HIV virus. Once HIV virus gets into the system, it's just going straight for the CD4 positive cells, the T cells. And the one thing about viral infection is that they always have one special cell they attack. Like the coronavirus now, the coronavirus always goes for a particular receptor in the lungs, which is called the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptors, ACR. Once it sees that receptor, and it's abundant in the lungs. And that's the reason why in COVID-19, the major presentation you see are lung, associated with the lung, talking about difficulty in breathing, respiratory distress. Those are the reasons why you see those presentations. So that's one thing about viral infection. But bacterial infection, on the other hand, they tend to produce toxins. Like in your botulinism, it has to do with when it's due to the fact that this Clostridium botulinum produces that toxin botulin within the human body. That's what is responsible for those presentations. So those are differences, and bacterial diseases are much more manageable compared to viral diseases. Are you with me? Now we know that. So what are the common viral infections in man? Well, to surprise you to know that your common cold, the flu, which we would like to say, is actually caused by a virus. Yes. So common viral infection, common cold. You are sneezing, feeling cold, you are teary-eyed, your nose is dripping, is oozing out mucus. So you actually have a viral infection, but it's mild because your immune system kind of handle that. It helps you to handle it. So try to eat well, eat good food so that you don't pass out from those mild viral infections. So the common cold is an example, and the virus responding for this is the influenza virus and automaxovirus, influenza virus. So the influenza virus, somebody has common cold, is actually an influenza virus that is virus indicated for that. Now you also have measles. Measles is also an example of viral infection. You have mumps. You have chicken pox. Well, a very common one now, coronavirus. Should we say coronavirus? COVID, coronavirus disease. And also, this affects the liver. Hepatitis B, viral hepatitis, very, very deadly disease. Viral hepatitis. You also have what we call genital warts, caused by human papilloma virus. Well, let's round it up. You also have the herpes, the herpes simplex virus, herpes. Yeah. So there you go. Common cold, influenza, measles, mumps, chicken pox, coronavirus disease, viral hepatitis, genital warts, and herpes. Yeah, that does it. So those are common viral infections. The common cold, measles. There was a time there was outbreak of measles, chicken pox. But for animals, you can have cowpox. That's affect animals basically. The genital warts, which is sexually transmitted disease. Viral hepatitis as well, which is more like at that point in time your liver is already approaching liver damage. Do you understand? There's inflammation of the hepatocytes due to this viral infection. care is not taken, it could lead to cirrhosis, where majority of the liver tissues will get fibrotic. You understand? Although the liver has the ability to regenerate itself, but if its regeneration power is exceeded, you then have the tissue becoming fibrotic. At that point in time, we say there's liver cirrhosis, and progression of liver cirrhosis, we get to liver failure, where liver is as good as almost dying, or sometimes it could be a liver cancer. You will develop carcinoma of the liver, hepatocarcinoma. So those are very, very dangerous situations which a human being can find itself, and it all arises from virus. In viral hepatitis, the virus that is implicated for that is the HPV. It's called the hepatitis B virus. So take note of that. While herpes is the herpes simplex virus 1, herpes simplex virus 2. Those are viruses responsible for those infections. Remember, your common cold is influenza virus. Influenza virus. And your measles is caused by the paramyxoviridae, the paramyxovirus. That will cause your measles, your mumps, of course the chicken pox, the pox viridae. So let's talk about protozoa infections, but that will be in the next class. Quite common.